Welcome back to Mom and Me and our cooking. It's going to be dosa week, 7 days of dosa recipes, and day 1 of dosa week, it's going to be butter paneer dosa. And to prepare this, you need to prep this masala powder. And to prepare this masala powder, you need roasted chana dal, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, salt to taste. You need to grind this all together to get this masala powder, and you also need melted butter, finely chopped coriander, grated carrot, finely chopped tomato, boiled paneer, finely chopped onions, and dosa batter. Take dosa batter and spread it evenly onto the dosa tawa. The thickness of the dosa should be medium, and also to get perfect dosa, the consistency of batter should be thick, and for that you need to add gram flour. Now add melted butter, and at this point you need to add that masala powder we have prepared earlier, but somehow I forgot that, but you do add it. And then you need to add finely chopped onions, carrots, tomato, and coriander. Just mix them all together and spread them evenly onto the dosa. This is optional. You can add finely chopped green chilies too if you need that spicy taste. And now grate the boiled paneer cubes onto the dosa as much as you like. Then add some more melted butter so that all these veggies gets that flavor. And now slowly lift the dosa from all the sides, just making sure that dosa is not stick to the tawa. Then you need to give some time for the veggies to cook, just a few seconds, and when you think it's done, just flip the dosa halfway and take it into the serving plate and serve hot with ginger pickle or groundnut chutney. And day 2 of dosa week is going to be Mysore masala dosa. I'll be uploading this tomorrow, so stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe to Mom and Me and our cooking.